Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be introducing you to this 1995 Nissan hardbody pickup. Let's begin. Alright, here we go. This is a 1995 Nissan hardbody D21 pickup with a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine. Why I'm showing you this, if you didn't see my short that I did, I went to go pick this up in San Antonio, and this is going to be the Faraway truck. I'm going to be customizing this truck from the frame up. We're going to be removing the box. We're going to be doing a lot of stuff to this truck. We are going to be putting some new hood, some new fenders. I believe the doors are pretty good. Gotta fix that dent right there. Let me show you around it. It is an automatic. There you go, guys. Like I said, it is an automatic. I am going to be upholstering it. I'm going to be fixing the inside and everything's going to be done to this truck. Like I mentioned, it is going to be a show truck. I am going to be doing it so that I can show my work at the car shows. Alright, so that's what I bought this truck for. Also, I used to have one of these trucks back when I was like 15 years old. I did have a lowrider exactly like this one when I was about 15, so just brings up some memories. As to the color that this truck's gonna be going, I don't know yet. Leave it on the comments what you want to see. I do know that I am gonna be adding some metal flakes. I do know that I'm gonna be adding some leafing, some patterns. I don't know yet. I'm gonna have to look around, see some samples, see some lowrider magazines back in the day, see what these trucks look like. I want to have it back in running order. It runs perfect. The motor and tranny are in excellent condition. I do need, like I said, I do need bumpers, I do need grills, I do need a lot of stuff to it, but it's gonna get done. It's gonna have to get a new windshield. It's all cracked, so all of that I'm gonna bring you along. It's gonna be a little bit before I start on it. All right, but I'm just giving you a heads up. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe to the channel so you can see this build and others that are coming. All right, so thank you guys. This is a short video just to present this vehicle as to what is going to be done. All right, thank you. Like always, subscribe to the channel. Also hit that thumbs up, it helps a lot. Don't forget to leave on the comments what you want to see. What colors do you think I should paint this truck? Maybe I'll go with your color. I don't know. Just we'll take it one day at a time. All right, thank you. Have a great weekend. I'll have some more videos of painting coming soon. I do have I think it's a 2024 Chevy Silverado that I need to fix a couple of dents. I'll be showing you how that's going to be taken care of and how the blending's going to go with that truck. It's a new truck, so that's coming soon also. So that'll be it. Thank you. Like always, stay safe and God bless.